Well, hello everybody. We're gonna, we that land we tried to purchase had a lot of things that weren't found, but we dug into them. I just want to kind of go over it with you because I want to tell you a little bit about it, so maybe you don't go through the same thing. But yeah, we put the money up for it. We said, okay, we'll take it, and we don't want any HOAs, which is the homeowner associations. And well, they didn't have that, but they had a bunch of CCRs, which nobody knew about, they said. And they were talking about it being there was none. Okay, remember what I said? What we were talking about is 15 years ago, somebody bought the property, and those owners haven't seen the property in 15 years. They bought it for investment, and they ended up actually they had a bunch of CCRs on it that nobody could find, but we dug enough and we got it. Glenn did. And let me just kind of go over them real quick, and that way you can see why we're gonna keep looking for property. Turns out they have a minimum 1,400 square foot house that you have to build, stick built. Well, I can get away with that. I can make modules and do it that way. But still, no. No livestock, no horses, no anything. So, out there on your own land, plenty of land, you can't have any farm animals, you can't have any livestock. It looks like only one house per parcel, one guest house, so we could actually have two houses, but one's guest house. No garage. No garage or shop, so I'm not real sure what the heck is going on there. So that's just part of it. Let's see, maintain live. Okay, no clear cutting, which is fine. I wasn't going to do that anyways. If you have any down trees and so forth, which there was quite a few on this property, you had to have them removed right away. No visible trash receptacles anywhere. And no fencing. Okay, that is. Oh, wait a minute. Glenn wrote something else here. So. Oh, and some of the CCRs there, they had to have a committee approve your design. That's just horrible. So we decided we're going to go ahead and just keep looking. And the reason being is right now anyways, throw that away. Right now anyways, it's looking like with the lumber costs that are 180% higher right now, we may just go ahead and stay in our one house we bought, just moved to the area, and we're going to sell it, and we stayed a little longer than we should have. Go ahead and build probably a shop, a 24 by 36 shop is what I think we can fit in there, and that should work. Hey, there's Gwen. But here we're sitting at Lynx Lake. Let me go ahead and turn you around there so we can show you it. Dogs need to be on leashes. paddle boards and stuff like that on there. But nice area if you ever get up this way. It's called Lynx Lake. It's right out just the edge of Prescott, and we've been here so many times. They have ducks, but yeah, they have all these campsites with cookers and restrooms, cabanas. Really a nice area. They even have here where you can bring in boats or RVs. So that's kind of where we're sitting now. But I hope you stay with us for when we do get the property. But stay with us through our build. We're going to go ahead and build a shop so we can get to building more good stuff for you. And we'll go from there. I appreciate you being with us. Thank you so much. Remember to share this video and please subscribe if you would. It helps the channel out if you can give me a thumbs up also. You know, we're trying to do our best for you and hopefully show you some really cool stuff coming up. So until next time, I'll see you. Have a good day. Hey everybody, I just want to say thank you for watching the video all the way through. I surely appreciate it so much. And if you haven't already, you can click this button right here to subscribe. That would really be great. It doesn't cost nothing and you get really cool stuff coming. Hey, you can also take a look at right here and right here for other cool videos. But I do appreciate it and thank you so much for supporting the channel.